I am a disciple of Prabhupada, I want to serve Prabhupada. Okay, that is between me, Prabhupada. I have to utilize ISKCON organization for that. That is not the perception. What is the absolute perception? Me, Prabhupada. Prabhupada means the moment you say Prabhupada, he is not yours alone. If you want to serve Prabhupada, the whole of Prabhupada, he is not yours alone. He is of his mission, he is of his so many devotees who are serving him, isn't it? So therefore we should learn how to relate with others together as a family of Prabhupada. Then that is worship of Prabhupada. So not put blinders and go on like that. And then what happens after that? This is the neophyte. It's a neophyte disciple. An advanced disciple of Prabhupada is able to see Prabhupada's amsha in every disciple. When anybody else is doing wonderful service to Srila Prabhupada, the devotee is able to see Prabhupada's Shakti in him. He is able to respect that Prabhupada's Shakti in him. Whereas if you simply become like a horse, you run like that, me, Prabhupada and Krishna, you can become even envious of the other persons. Why is he doing that service? Why is he doing more service than I am doing? The focus is, becomes I. As I said, neophyte also is is a stage. But we have to focus and understand Prabhupada in his wider ambitions and his wider spiritual mission that he has got in mind. And then Prabhupada is very pleased. He knows how to respect all my other servants. He knows how to take inspiration from those whom I am empowering. So this kind of, interpersonal relationship between Vaishnavas, current of Vaishnava association should run. That is why it's a Guru, Sadhu and Shastra. And without Sadhu Sanga, you cannot practice the Guru's instructions. The Guru has given hundreds of instructions how to be humble and all those things. It is not enough if you are only humble with Guru. The instruction Guru has given for the disciple to be humble means he has to be humble everywhere. So that is a challenge. To satisfy Guru means, to satisfy his mind means what is his expectation? That we mature ourselves as servants of the Supreme Lord. We mature ourselves as a social, spiritual being. Spiritual, social being. We are not Mayavadis. It is a very tough job to be a social, spiritual being. Of course, it happens stage by stage. We cannot convert the social life in the ashram to be that. It is a practice platform for us. Even in ashram, we as devotees, as Vaishnavas, we interrelate with us within the framework of regulations. And regulated bhakti leads to pure bhakti. So regulated living, of respectful living among the ashram devotees will develop us as individuals who qualify to go and reside in Vaikuntha among the pure devotees. If we don't learn that, this is a great opportunity for us to learn tolerance, humility, all these things in the association of Vaishnavas. That is why Sadhu Sanga is a very significant part of spiritual development. We cannot neglect that. We should be successful in Sadhu Sanga. There are techniques, as Prabhupada says, it's a science and there are techniques of Sadhu Sanga. There are techniques of devotional service. Those who do not know the techniques have to learn from those who know. An advanced disciple of Prabhupada is able to see Prabhupada's amsha in every disciple. When anybody else is doing wonderful service to Srila Prabhupada, the devotee is able to see Prabhupada's Shakti in him. He is able to respect that Prabhupada's Shakti in him.